Next problem. A balloon which is always spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So balloon, its diameter is given. Then we have to find rate of change of its volume. So volume of this balloon is in spherical shape. What is the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume. What we have to find? Rate of change of volume with respect to x. So dv by dx we have to find. Then what is given in the question? It is the diameter. Diameter d is given as 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. So for volume we need radius. So radius means diameter by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1 by 2, that we can write as 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1. Now substitute in this volume and differentiate. So volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into r cube, that is 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, that implies V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube and 4 cube. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is the expression for V. Then we have to find dv by dx, derivative of V with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So constant all you can take out, that we can cancel 3 and 27, that is 9. Here 4 and 64 is 16. So 9 by 16 pi. Now what is the derivative of 2x plus 1 cube? 2x plus 1 whole cube. What is the derivative? Derivative is this into 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square. X cube derivative is 3x square. That way. So 2x plus 1 whole cube derivative is 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Then by using the chain rule we have to find the derivative of this inside portion. That is the derivative of 2x and derivative of 1. Derivative of 2x is 2. X derivative is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. So into 2, that also you have to write. Now this 2 and 16 cancel. 9 3s are 27. 27 pi by 8 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the rate of change of V with respect to x. And here unit is not given, so no need to write. You can stop here. Now the next question. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? Once again you read it. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So what is this quantity? 12 centimeter cube per second. Cube indicates volume. So sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of. So that gives this quantity is given as, that is the volume, rate of change of volume. That is with respect to, it is second with respect to time. So the given number is dv by dt, isn't it? dv by dt is given as 12 centimeter cube per second. Now this falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that, so the sand from the pipe That volume of that sand is equal to volume of the cone, that is in the ground. Now, in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. So, height is given as 1/6 of radius, or we can write R is equal to 6 into height. Now, what we have to find? How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? So, how fast the height is increasing? How fast means with respect to time. dH by dt we have to find when the height is 4 centimeter. Okay. Then what is here? It is about the cone. What is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is equal to volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here children, don't substitute h equal to 4 and r equal to 6h, 6 into 4. If you substitute these constant, then we can't differentiate. So, always for this one, here we have two variables r and h. So, one you have to convert. We have to find dH by dt. So, h we need here. So, r you have to convert in terms of h. So, r is 6h, you can substitute here. So, you will get in terms of h. Then for that h, don't give this value, that is in the last step. So, we get an expression in terms of h. Then you can find the derivative with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, and in the last step you have to give the value. Only at the last step you have to give this value. So, v is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So, dv by dt is given, there you can substitute, and here for this r we can substitute, what we can substitute? 6h. 6h square into h, that is 36 pi h cube by 3, isn't it? 36 and 3 we can cancel, 12 pi h cube. So, this is the volume of this particular cone. Now, dv by dt is given, dv by dt is equal to 12, which implies d by dt of, you can substitute this, 12 pi h cube is equal to 12. Now, differentiate left hand side. 12 pi is a constant, we can take out, 12 pi taking out, then d by dt of h cube, which implies 12 and 12 we can cancel. So, pi into, what is the derivative of h cube with respect to t? That is 3h square into dH by dt. That's equal to 1. Right hand side is 1. So, what is dH by dt? 1 by 3 pi h square. What is h square? 16. So, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 4 square. So, 1 by 48 pi. Then what is the unit? dH by dt. It is in centimeter. So, centimeter per second. Okay. So, first we write the formula, volume of the cone. Then here we have two variables, convert one variable to other. So, here we need dH by dt. So, we convert r in terms of h. Then dv by dt is given, there we substitute this volume, differentiate with respect to time. So, in the last step we get dH by dt. Now, the next question, the total cost C of x in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x is, one expression is given. What is C of x? It is the total cost associated with the production of x units. We have to find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. So what do you mean by marginal cost? It is related to economics. Marginal cost means rate of change of total cost with respect to output. Rate of change of total cost. So total cost is given, that is C of x is in terms of x. X means the number of units produced. So C of x is 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. So this is the total cost associated with production of x units. Then what is marginal cost means you have to find rate of change of this cost with respect to x. X means how many products, the number of products, production of x units. So you have to find dc by dx, or simply you can write c dash of x. C dash also indicates the derivative with respect to x. This is in terms of x. So just you find the derivative, then you have to give x as 17. So what is the derivative of this expression? 3 into 0.007 x square minus 2 into 0.003 x plus 15. Then give the value x 17. So dc by dx at x is equal to 70 is equal to 3 into 0.007 into 17 square minus 2 into 0.003 into 17 into plus 50. Now calculate the value. Its value is rupees. This is in rupees. 20.967. This much rupees. Okay. So you have to write the definition. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost means it is the rate of change of total cost with respect to the output. So expression is given, that is the total cost. Then you have to just find its derivative. Find the derivative and give, when x 17 units are produced means you have to give x as 70. So you will get the cost 20 rupees. 20.967 rupees. Now the next one also related to economics, that is total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x units of a product is given by R of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when x is 7. Marginal revenue means the rate of change of total revenue with respect to the number of units sold. Okay. So here R of x means it is the total revenue. Total revenue is given as R of x. R of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15 is the total revenue received from the sale of x units. Then we have to find marginal revenue means rate of change of total revenue with respect to the number of units sold. How many units sold? X units. You have to find dr by dx, rate of change of r with respect to number of units sold, or another notation is r dash x. Find the derivative of this. So 26x, 13 is a constant, 13 into x square derivative is 2x. Plus 26 taking out, x derivative is 1, then 15 is 0. Then you have to give the value, x is 7, that is given in the question. So dr by dx at x is equal to 7, that's equal to, or you can write r dash 7, 26 into 7 plus, okay, 26 into 7, calculate, plus 26, that is 208. So rupees 208. So that is the marginal revenue. Now for doing problems in the first exercise, that is exercise 6.1, you need all these results. We all know these all. You studied this in the last smaller classes, but you just write all these in the notebook. Area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle means 2 into L plus B. Area of a square, that is if x is the side, all sides are equal in a square, so area is equal to side into side or x square. Perimeter of the square means 4 sides, 4 into side. Then area of a circle, circle means its radius r, pi r square is the area, and circumference or perimeter, the outer measure, this, what is the length of this, that is 2 pi r. Now for solids, TSA means total surface area of a cuboid. There are how many faces? 4 lateral faces and 2 bases. So TSA means 2 times L into B plus LH plus BH. L is the length, B is the breadth, and H is the height. Then what is LSA? 4 faces are there. In the lateral faces are 4. So that is lateral surface area. The basic formula is base perimeter into height. So base perimeter, base is in the shape of rectangle. That is perimeter is 2 into L plus B into H. So that is the LSA. What is the volume of a cuboid? Volume basic formula is base area into height. Base area means base is rectangle. L into B is the base area into height. So LBH is the volume of the cuboid. Now TSA of a cube. Cube means there are 6 faces. All 6 faces are congruent. So 6 into area of one face, that is x square. Then LSA means 4 lateral faces, 4 into area of one face, that is 4x square. Volume is equal to base area into height. Base area means it's a square, x square. Height is also x, so it is x cube. Now what is TSA of a cylinder? How many faces for a cylinder? 2 base and 1 curved face. So 2 base area means 2 into pi r square, circle shape, plus curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h. CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. This is 2 base area plus CSA. And volume is equal to base area into height. Base is circle, pi r square into height, pi r square h. Now cone, TSA of a cone. For a cone we have height, radius, and that one is slant height. So there is a relation. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Now what is TSA of a cone? For a cone there are 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 base. Base area is pi r square and curved face area, that is pi r l. So CSA means it is pi r l. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 of volume of cylinder, that is the relation. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now TSA of a sphere. For sphere only one face. So its TSA is 4 pi r square and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And for a hemisphere means 1 curved face and 1 circular face, like that. So 1 base area, that is pi r square, and curved face is half of sphere, 2 pi r square. So total area is 3 pi r square. CSA is 2 pi r square and volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. The next, area of a triangle is half into base into height. The basic formula is that area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, where a, equilateral means all sides are equal, so a be the side of the triangle, one side. Then area of a trapezium is half into h into a plus b. A plus b means parallel sides length of parallel sides. H is the height of the trapezium. So its area is half into h into a plus b. So you note down all these results in the notebook.